Before the break, we talked about the foundation of healthy skin, hydration. But here's something that surprises many people. You can drink all the water you want. You can buy every expensive anti-aging cream on the market. But if your body doesn't have the raw materials to build collagen, your skin simply can't repair itself as efficiently. Think of it this way. Imagine you're building a beautiful brick house. You have the workers, you have the blueprints, you even have plenty of water. But someone forgot to deliver the bricks. No matter how skilled the builders are, nothing gets built. That's exactly what happens inside our bodies after the age of 60. Number 6. Give your skin the building blocks. It needs collagen is a protein, and proteins are built from amino acids. If your diet doesn't provide enough high-quality protein, or if your body isn't absorbing it efficiently, your skin has fewer building blocks available for repair. Research shows that older adults often require more protein, not less, because aging muscles and tissues become less responsive to the protein they consume. This phenomenon, known as anabolic resistance, means your body may need a higher quality protein intake to achieve the same repair response it once did. That's one reason many older adults unknowingly eat enough calories but not enough protein. The breakfast mistake most seniors make. Let me ask you a simple question. What did you have for breakfast this morning? Was it toast with jam, a muffin, a bowl of sugary cereal, perhaps just coffee? There's nothing wrong with enjoying these foods occasionally, but if breakfast contains very little protein, your body starts the day without much of the material it needs to maintain muscle, skin, and other tissues. Compare these two breakfasts. Breakfast, 2 slices of white toast, jam-sweetened coffee. Breakfast, B, 2 eggs, Greek yogurt, fresh berries, a handful of walnuts. Which one do you think provides more support for healthy aging? The second breakfast doesn't just contain more protein. It also provides healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. A patient story. James, a 69-year-old retired electrician, told me something I'll never forget. "Doctor," he said, "I've been eating the same breakfast for 30 years, coffee and toast. I thought because I wasn't eating much I was doing the healthy thing." When we reviewed his diet, he was getting barely half the protein recommended for someone his age. With guidance from his healthcare team, he began making small changes, nothing dramatic. He added eggs a few mornings each week, Greek yogurt with berries on others, sometimes cottage cheese with fruit. 3 months later, he wasn't talking about wrinkles. He was talking about something much more important. He said, "I feel stronger getting out of my chair. My afternoon energy is better. I'm not hungry all the time anymore." Healthy skin is wonderful, but healthier muscles, better mobility, and more independence, those are life-changing. Number 5, the vitamin most people think they're getting, but aren't now. Let's talk about a nutrient almost everyone has heard of, vitamin C. Most people associate vitamin C with fighting colds, but here's something many don't realize. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't efficiently produce collagen. Vitamin C acts as a helper for enzymes involved in collagen formation. Without adequate amounts, collagen production is impaired, even if you're getting enough protein. Fortunately, you don't need expensive supplements to get started. Some of the richest food sources include oranges, kiwi, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Here's where many people go wrong. They assume drinking a small glass of orange juice is enough. Whole fruits and vegetables provide fiber and many additional nutrients that juice often lacks. Whenever possible, eat the fruit. Don't just drink it. The power of combining foods. One of my favorite breakfasts is incredibly simple. Plain Greek yogurt, fresh blueberries, a kiwi, a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. This meal provides check high-quality protein, check vitamin C, check healthy fats, check fiber, check natural antioxidants. Notice something? No miracle supplement, just real food. And sometimes, real food is exactly what your body has been asking for. The inside-out approach. We spend billions of dollars every year trying to improve our skin from the outside. Creams, serums, masks, treatments. Some of these can certainly play a role in skincare, but imagine trying to water a tree by spraying its leaves while completely ignoring the roots. Eventually, the roots determine the health of the entire tree. Your skin works much the same way. Healthy skin begins beneath the surface. That's why nutrition matters so much. A question for you, I'm curious. If someone prepared breakfast for you tomorrow morning, what would you choose? Eggs, oatmeal, Greek yogurt, and berries? Avocado on whole grain toast? Tell me in the comments. I always enjoy seeing the healthy ideas our community shares with one another. You might even inspire someone else to make a simple change. Now, everything we've discussed so far helps provide the raw materials your skin needs. But there's another problem that quietly speeds up aging, and you can't see it in the mirror until the damage has already been happening for years. Scientists call it chronic low-grade inflammation. I like to call it the silent thief of healthy aging. In the next part, I'll explain why this hidden process affects not only your skin, but also your heart, joints, brain, and overall vitality. and the everyday foods that may help support your body's natural defenses against it. So far, we've covered two of the most important foundations for healthier looking skin after 60. First, giving your body enough hydration. Second, providing the protein and vitamin C your body needs to build collagen. But now we come to something that almost nobody talks about, and in my opinion, this is where the real story begins. Because imagine spending hundreds of dollars every month on expensive creams, eating healthy, taking collagen supplements, only to have something inside your body quietly destroying collagen faster than you can replace it. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happens to millions of adults over 60. Number 4. The silent fire. Aging your skin from within. Have you ever noticed that two people can be exactly the same age, yet one looks 10 years younger? It's rarely because of expensive skincare. Very often, it's because what's happening inside their body is different. Scientists have a name for one of these hidden processes. It's called chronic low-grade inflammation, or as researchers sometimes describe it, inflammaging. The name itself combines two words, inflammation and aging. Now don't let that complicated name scare you. It's actually very easy to understand. Imagine your home. One day someone lights a tiny candle. No problem. The candle burns for a few hours and goes out. That's normal inflammation. Your body uses inflammation to heal cuts, fight infections, repair damaged tissue. It's one of the reasons we're alive today. But now imagine that tiny candle never goes out. Day after day, month after month, year after year, it keeps producing just enough heat to slowly damage the furniture. Eventually, things begin wearing out long before they should. That's very similar to what chronic inflammation does inside the body. You usually don't feel it. There's no pain, no alarm bell. But over time, it may contribute to the gradual breakdown of collagen, changes in blood vessels, and many other age-related health conditions. It's not just about your skin. Here's something many people don't realize. The same lifestyle habits that support healthier skin are often the very same habits that support your heart, your brain, your joints, and your muscles. That's why I always tell my patients, never chase younger-looking skin. Chase a healthier body. Healthy skin is often one of the rewards that follows. A patient story. Susan came to see me shortly after her 70th birthday. She wasn't interested in cosmetic procedures. She simply wanted to know why her skin looked dull. I use moisturizer every day, she told me. I drink plenty of water, but I still look tired. When we talked more, something became obvious. She rarely ate vegetables. Most evenings she relied on frozen dinners. She slept about 5 hours a night, and she admitted she felt stressed almost every day. There wasn't one single cause. There were dozens of tiny ones. Together with her healthcare team, she gradually changed a few habits. She started eating colorful vegetables every day. She replaced sugary desserts with fresh fruit several evenings each week. She began walking after dinner, and she worked on getting an extra hour of sleep. 3 months later, the first thing she noticed wasn't her wrinkles. It was her energy. She smiled more. She felt stronger. Her friends even commented that she looked healthier, not younger, healthier. And that's a much more meaningful goal. Number 3, eat more color than calories. If I could give every adult over 60 just one nutrition challenge, it would be this: eat more color. Walk through your grocery store and picture your shopping cart. If everything inside is beige, white bread, crackers, cookies, frozen meals, you're probably missing many of the natural plant compounds that colorful fruits and vegetables provide. Think of your plate like an artist's palette. The more natural colors you include, the more different nutrients you're likely getting. Deep green spinach, bright orange carrots, red tomatoes, purple blueberries, yellow peppers. Each color reflects different plant compounds that contribute to a healthy dietary pattern. No single fruit or vegetable is magic, but together, they create something powerful. Imagine you're building a house again. Would you trust only one worker to complete the entire project? Of course not. You need electricians, plumbers, carpenters, painters, roofers. Nutrition works the same way. Vitamin C has one role, vitamin A another, vitamin E another, polyphenols another, fiber another. Each nutrient contributes something slightly different. That's why eating a wide variety of colorful foods usually beats relying on one superfood. What about turmeric? Many viewers ask me about turmeric. It's certainly an interesting spice that has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. Including turmeric in cooking can be part of a healthy diet if you enjoy it. But here's something important. Don't think of turmeric as replacing vegetables, or exercise, or sleep. Think of it as one member of a much larger team. Health is built by patterns, not by individual ingredients. The biggest mistake I see every week, this may surprise you. The biggest mistake isn't eating too much sugar or forgetting your vitamins. It's trying to change everything overnight. Monday, you buy 15 supplements, a new diet book, an expensive blender, a gym membership. 3 weeks later, everything is sitting in the cupboard. Instead, choose one habit, master it, then add another. Healthy aging isn't a sprint, it's a lifestyle. If you've learned something new today, I'd really appreciate it if you took just a second to tap the like button. It helps YouTube share these videos with more adults over 60 who are looking for trustworthy, practical health information. And I'd love to know, which habit do you think would be the easiest for you to start this week? Drinking more water, eating more colorful vegetables, getting more protein at breakfast, or taking a daily walk? Share your answer in the comments below. I read your comments every day, and many of your stories inspire future videos for this community. We've talked about hydration, nutrition, protein, inflammation, and building collagen from the inside out. But there's one final habit that quietly determines whether all of those efforts actually pay off. In fact, it's something your body does every single night while you're asleep. Most people focus on what they eat. Very few people focus on when their body repairs itself. I'll show you why your nighttime repair process is one of the biggest secrets to healthier skin after 60, the common myths that hold people back, and the simple daily routine I recommend to my own patients who want to age well, inside and out. We've reached the final habit, and honestly, if I had to choose just one message I hope you remember from today's video, it's this. Your skin doesn't become healthier because of something you do once. It becomes healthier because of what your body is allowed to do every single day and every single night. Because while you're sleeping, your body is incredibly busy. Cells are being repaired, proteins are being built, hormones are being released, damaged tissues are being replaced, including your skin. The question is, are you giving your body the opportunity to do that job well? Number 2, protect your body's overnight repair cycle. Most people think skin aging happens during the day. Sunlight, wind, pollution, dry air. Those things certainly matter. But much of your body's repair work happens while you sleep. Think of your skin like a city. During the daytime, the streets are full of traffic. Everyone is working, everything is busy. But at night, construction crews come out, roads are repaired, buildings are maintained, broken equipment gets replaced. Your body works much the same way. Sleep is when many important repair processes take place. If you're consistently sleeping only 4 or 5 hours, it's like sending the construction crew home before they've finished repairing the roads. Eventually, the damage begins to accumulate. Why sleep matters more after 60. As we grow older, many people naturally experience lighter sleep. Some wake several times during the night, others wake at 3 or 4 a.m. and struggle to fall asleep again. Some medications can also affect sleep quality. While these changes are common, consistently poor sleep has been linked with many aspects of healthy aging, including energy, mood, immune function, and skin health. One poor night's sleep won't suddenly give you wrinkles, but months or years of poor quality sleep can gradually take their toll. That's why I encourage my patients to think of sleep as part of their skincare routine, not just their bedtime routine. A simple evening routine. You don't need an expensive sleep gadget or fancy supplements. Start with the basics. Try to go to bed at roughly the same time each evening. Reduce bright screens during the last hour before bed if possible. Keep your bedroom cool, quiet, and dark. Avoid large meals or excessive alcohol close to bedtime. If your doctor says it's appropriate for you, a short evening walk can also help some people unwind before sleep. Remember, small improvements practiced consistently often matter more than dramatic changes that don't last. A story that stays with me. George was 76 years old. He wasn't worried about wrinkles. He simply felt exhausted. He woke up tired. He looked tired. He told me, "Doctor, I feel like I've aged 10 years and 2." When we reviewed his habits, he wasn't eating badly. He stayed active, but he was sleeping barely 5 hours each night. Together with his healthcare provider, he began improving his sleep routine little by little. No miracle, no overnight transformation, just better habits. 3 months later, his wife smiled during one appointment and said, "He's smiling again." That's what healthy aging is really about, not chasing youth, feeling alive. Number 1, consistency is more powerful than any supplement. Now we've reached the final habit, and I know this probably isn't the answer many people were expecting. It's not a rare supplement. It's not an expensive cream. It's not a miracle food. It's something much simpler. Consistency. Because here's what I've learned after years of caring for older adults. The people who age the healthiest rarely do one extraordinary thing. They do ordinary things. extraordinarily consistently. They drink enough water, they eat enough protein, they include colorful fruits and vegetables most days. They stay physically active, they protect their sleep, they spend time with family and friends, they laugh, they keep learning, they keep moving. Those habits may not sound exciting, but together, they're incredibly powerful. The compound effect. Imagine placing $1 into a savings account. Tomorrow, another dollar. The next day, another. $1 doesn't seem important, but over years, those deposits grow. Healthy habits work exactly the same way. One nutritious breakfast, one walk after dinner, one extra glass of water, one good night's sleep, one less sugary drink. Each one is small, but your body remembers every one of them. The mirror test. Tomorrow morning, when you look in the mirror, don't ask, "Do I look younger?" Instead ask, "What can I do today that my future self will thank me for?" Maybe it's preparing a protein-rich breakfast. Maybe it's adding another serving of vegetables. Maybe it's taking a walk around the block. Maybe it's finally drinking enough water. Maybe it's simply going to bed 30 minutes earlier. Those decisions won't change your face overnight, but they may help support healthier aging over time. And that's a goal worth pursuing. Let's quickly recap today's 7 habits. Number 7, start your morning well hydrated. Number 6, eat enough high-quality protein to provide the building blocks your body needs. Number 5, include vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables regularly as part of a balanced diet. Number 4, support your body's natural inflammatory balance with an overall healthy eating pattern rich in colorful plant foods. Number 3, eat the rainbow. Different colors provide different nutrients that contribute to overall health. Number 2, protect your overnight repair process by making sleep a priority. Number 1, be consistent, because consistency will always outperform perfection. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 7 habits are you going to start first? Will it be drinking more water, eating a better breakfast, adding more colorful vegetables, or improving your sleep? Share your answer in the comments below. I genuinely read your comments, and many of the questions you ask become future videos for this channel. And if today's video helped you better understand how healthy skin begins from the inside out, please take a moment to like this video. It helps YouTube recommend it to more adults over 60 who are looking for reliable, practical health information. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Every week here on the Dr. Richard channel, we explore evidence-informed ways to support healthy aging, stronger muscles, better heart health, healthier kidneys, improved brain function, balanced blood sugar, and a longer, more active life. I'd like to leave you with one final thought. Aging isn't something to fear. It's something to prepare for. Every healthy choice you make today is an investment in the person you'll be 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. Your skin tells part of that story, but your strength, your independence, your energy, your ability to enjoy time with the people you love, those are the chapters that matter most. So don't chase perfection. Don't chase impossible promises. Instead, build simple habits that you can live with for years, because your body is always listening, and it's never too late to start giving it the care it deserves. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I'm Dr. Richard. Take good care of yourself, stay kind to your body, and I'll see you in the next video.